The AOPA Air Safety Institute is pleased to present the General Aviation Safety Award to Dick VanGrunsven, designer, builder, pilot, and founder of Van's Aircraft. Dick has shown a remarkable commitment to safety throughout every aspect of his aviation involvement, which spans nearly 50 years. In the early 1970s, Dick set out to build a safe airplane focused on a concept he called total performance. And build that airplane he did. The RV series has become nearly synonymous with the experimental amateur-built category, and its popularity over the decades is a testament to his success with over 10,000 RV aircraft built.
The safety performance of RV aircraft stands out in the experimental amateur-built category. Since 2008, the number of registered RV aircraft has doubled. Meanwhile, the number of fatal accidents has been cut in half. That kind of safety performance isn't luck. It comes from an ongoing commitment to safety for pilots and builders.
Dick's design features enhance flying safety through excellent visibility, pilot ergonomics, responsive and true controls, rugged cockpit structure, and relatively low takeoff and landing speed for the aircraft's performance. His designs also permit easy inspection and access for routine maintenance, which helps ensure important maintenance checks are consistently carried out. Not only has Dick created an extremely capable and safe aircraft, he has built a community of knowledgeable and well-trained builders and pilots. Vans offers builders free technical support and supports a network of skilled EAB mentors that offer specific advice and techniques. Recognizing the value of type-specific flying training, Dick initiated transition training for RV pilots and provided airplanes to support and encourage more regional transition training.
Throughout his life's work, Dick has shown a commitment to aviation safety, and we're proud to recognize his effort.
From the AOPA Air Safety Institute, we offer our sincere congratulations to Dick VanGrunsven and the talented and dedicated RV team he's led for close to 50 years.